Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So it's just something a bit different to my usual videos. This is a video on Tesla in particular. This video is more something that I want to get on the record. Just want it on my YouTube record. Just want it there. So maybe in like a year or so, or I can look back and say, look, I did a video, guys, check it out. So anyway, you guys are welcome to listen to my video also. So here it is. Right, so is Tesla the best buy, the best sell trade of like the last decade? So this is why I think it may be and what I'm looking at. So here we've got the Dow Jones. We're going to look at it on the yearly, and I would like to show you that what we have here is a yearly 9 on the TD sequential for the Dow Jones. So this is the stock market as a whole. We could potentially expect 1 to 4 years of downside. So you can see we got a 9 around here, and then we ended up with well 3 years of downside. We pushed through it, but we got the weakness afterwards. The 9 here, we had a bit of weakness on that, but obviously we're quite extended here. So yeah, so you can kind of see that we potentially, that's on log. If we go into auto again, yeah, so that is number one. The first part of my thesis is the yearly 9. So overall, I think we could be in for at least a couple of years of stock market weakness. So a depression, straight recession, and weakness for the next couple of years in the overall stock market. So now let's look at Tesla. This is the yearly for Tesla. Tesla hasn't even been around 9 years, but you can see we've got this pretty extended candle. But here we go, the 1 month candle for Tesla. I mean, you can see we got a 9 candle there. That's the last time we really got a 9, and we definitely had some weakness off after that candle. We got close to a buy 9 under here, close, but we took off before that. So now this is a monthly time frame, guys. So we've got a monthly 9. So we, based on this, we could maybe expect well, basically 1 to 4 months weakness. But if that 1 to 4 months weakness coincides with an overall stock market basically sell off for the next couple of years potentially, this doesn't have to necessarily be a 1 to 4 candle correction. This could be another 9 candles down, and then another 9 candles down, and until we get a double 9 buy wherever, maybe around here. Not really, can't go negative, can we? I think Tesla has got pretty strong support around this level anyway. This double O, I don't think it will go below there. But anyway, so, and if you want to have a look on the weekly Tesla, you can see the power of these 9s. We reacted perfectly. This 9 candle did signify the high. So the high of this candle was the high, and then we came down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, if you actually want to count the actual start of the sell-off, as here, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. So there's your 1 to 4 candle retracement, 4 candles. So now if you now work on another 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all we're looking for is Tesla to stay up here for another 4 weeks, around this level or higher, 4 weeks, and then we can end up with another beautiful weekly 9 on top of a monthly 9 on top of a yearly 9 in the stock market. So Tesla could be an absolutely winner trade, an absolute winner. So yeah, this is purely technical based, guys. There's nothing against Elon, Tesla, or any of you Tesla fanboys out there, like, at all. I am just purely looking at the technicals. Please show me another share that also has the monthly 9 as well, and I'll add that to my list of super shorts as well. But yeah, so an interesting little thing there for you guys to check out yourselves. So thanks for listening, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.